Now you will take the common in numerator.
Yes,
That
ma'am. This
would
will
be
become 9 minus 5. So
9 minus 5 is
4.
4. And you will
So,
cut
ma'am,
2 times 2 is
ma'am, then the answer will be 3 minus root 5.
very good. So can I explain you a bigger one digit now?
Yes, ma'am. I get the smaller ones, but then the bigger ones are confusing for me.
Okay, so can you tell me any digit?
Ma'am, 6 minus 2 root 5
Just a
by...
second. Just a second. Yeah, 6 minus
2 root 5 upon 6 plus 2 root 5.
in which you will, when you will change 6
Yes, ma'am.
minus root 5, 2 root 5 and 6 minus 2 root 5.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, you will do, this is the same, 6 minus a minus b, right?
Ma'am, but in the denominator, we need to use a minus b whole square
Yeah,
formula to get
you
the
will
answer.
write in numerator a minus b ka whole square.
Yes, ma'am.
And in denominator will be same. 6 square is 36 minus 2 root 5 square is
20, ma'am,
very good. So 36 minus 20.
which becomes 16.
Yes. And in numerator, you will do, you will follow the identity in which a square plus b
Ma'am, it will
square.
become 36 plus 4 root 5 minus 5, which will become 31 by 4 root 5. 31 minus 4 root 5.
Just a second. This is 36. This is 20.
20,
This is
yes, ma'am.
24 root 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it will become 46 minus 24 root 5.
Yes. Upon 16. Now you will take the common also and cut it with 16.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
You will take 4 as a common.
Ma'am,
No, this is 46. No,
yes,
2,
ma'am.
2. So
So that
20.
will become 26 by 26 root 5 by 16. Right, ma'am?
2, if you are taking 2 as a common. So that
Okay.
23 minus 10 root 5. Sorry. And then 2 cut with 16. That would be 8.
Yes, ma'am.
So your final answer is 23 minus 10 root 5 upon 8.
Ma'am, can we simplify 23 minus 10 and make it 22?
No. How you calculate? Because there is a root 5, but 23 is a single, na? This is an
Yes,
unlike terms, not like terms.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. With 10, there is a root 5, but 23 is a single.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can't solve it. So this is your final
can
answer.
you explain the tougher ones to me? Like, not these easy ones. I'm getting confused in the tougher ones.
Which one you are confused?
Ma'am, the tougher ones, like where there are 3 and there's like, for example, we say 2 minus root 5 plus 7, like that, ma'am. I get
Okay,
confused.
you dictate the question, I will solve it.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am.
Any problem in any other? So you can ask, okay, we will revise the rationalize also. Any question if you want to do, so that let me know, I will do it. You want to ask. Now, Rohit, you tell me your question.
Ma'am, it was 7. 1 second. Yes, ma'am, it was 3 root 3 minus root 4 by root 3 plus root 4 minus 7
Root 3
plus minus root 4 upon root 3 plus root 4 minus 7.
minus 10
Minus 7, ma'am. Minus 7.
minus 7.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you will take this is a and this is B in this situation.
So, ma'am, for the one in the numerator, do we need to take make it minus? Do we need to multiply it with -7 as well?
See, this is a 2.
Numerator?
Root 4 is a 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write as a 2 and this is your A. Root 3 plus 4 is a root and 7 is your B.
Right.
When you will rationalize, not change the bracket one, only change this one side.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you will solve it accordingly. You will multiply root 3 in root 3, root 3 in 4,
Ma'am,
2
won't
in
that become root 3 plus root 4 down?
root 3 plus root 4
Root 4
down.
because the question is root 3 plus root 4 minus 7.
But you have to change this one sign, na? This is you consider as single one, A.
Okay, ma'am.
This is B. So that's why only you have to change this sign, not root 3, 4 sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you solve it. Same procedure you will follow. Firstly, you will multiply all the numbers in numerator and denominator. You will write as a root 3 plus
In
root
the
4 whole
denominator,
square.
it should be root 3 plus root 4 minus 7.
Yes. But you will follow the A plus B whole square,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
which this is A square, this is B square, this is 2AB.
Okay, ma'am.
So that what is the answer? And this is
Ma'am,
minus 7.
yes,
So
ma'am.
this is plus 7. No. Yeah,
Ma'am,
this is root 4.
actually in
Sorry. Yeah,
the
this is root 4. So
ma'am
don't
above,
change root 4 in 2. Because now see, 3 plus 4 is 7.
ma'am, won't it become root 7? Oh, okay, ma'am. 7 plus 7,
Plus 7
24,
minus
right?
7, you cut it down. Na? Only what is left?
Ma'am, but what happens to 2 into 3 into 4? Here, 2 into 3, this one, this part.
Yeah, this is your answer in denominator. So 24.
Okay, ma'am.
Only 24 is in your denominator. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. So does it become 1 by 24 the answer?
Yeah. And root 4 you consider because this is cut na with 7.
Okay.
So don't write 2. Root 4 is root 4.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, could you give us more questions like the ones which I asked you for practice?
Yes. Any question from your side or I will?
Yes, ma'am, there's one more. Ma'am, it's root 6 upon root 2 plus root. Ma'am, should I type it in
Just a
chat?
second. I'm sharing my board. Just a second.
Okay.
Maybe some issues. Board is not presenting now. Yeah. I'm rubbing firstly, then you tell me the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Yeah, what is the question?
Ma'am, it is root 6 upon root 2 plus root 3
Yes.
plus 3 root 2 by root 6 plus root 2
Plus 3
root 2 by root 6 plus root 2
root 6 plus
root 2 root 2.
root 2.
Ma'am,
That's it.
minus 4 root 3 by root 6 plus root 2
Root 6 plus
root 2.
root 2.
Ma'am, under 3 root 2, it is root 6 plus root 3. Under 3 root 2, the denominator here.
Only this one is the question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, under 3 root 2, it is root 6 plus root 3.
This is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one by one you will take, Rohit.
Ma'am, I need to
Firstly,
conjugate one by one, right?
yeah, you will take one by one rationalization, then solve it according to the sign.
Yes, ma'am. Then I'll get. Then I need to use a plus b whole square formula, right, ma'am? For
Yes,
the
yes. According to the sign, you will solve it. Firstly, you solve the first one, second one, and then third one. Okay, now all of you solve it. Then we will discuss the answer. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
solve it. And open your videos also.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding how to conjugate it. I've tried, but I'm getting a bit confused.
Uh, yes, Rohit?
Ma'am, I'm getting a little confused in the conjugation part for the other two. Like, yes, ma'am.
Which one? The first one, second one?
Ma'am, second and third one, I'm not able to conjugate. I conjugated the first one.
See, this is 3 root 2.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I have to multiply. Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Yeah, yeah,
I
solve
need
it.
to use the denominator right now.
Yes.
Ma'am, what will be the ma'am, what will be the answer for the first bit? Root 6 by root 2 plus root 3?
Yeah, write it on the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, all write it on the chat box. Then I will tell you which one is the correct. The first one, rationalization answer. I'm open my chat box now. I'm waiting for your answers. All of you write it on the chat box. What is the answer of first one?
Ma'am,
This is the final answer of first one. It is correct? Yeah, Sampath have same answer.
ma'am, can we not make root 18 root 9?
Which one?
Oh, sorry, ma'am, nothing.
Yeah. If 12 is coming now, so that you will take the LCM firstly, and then you will write 2 root 3. Because see, there are 2 and 1 3. So only root 3 is there, 2 will be after root 3 you will write. So this is
Ma'am,
your final answer of first one.
ma'am, actually the denominator will come as -1.
Denominator is coming in -1. Very good. Because root 3 is the greater one. So that your answer is -2 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Got it?
Ma'am, for this second bit, the answer is
The first answer is coming same, all of you?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, the second one.
Ma'am, the second answer is root 12 minus root 6 upon 1.
The second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is root 12, root 6 are there.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
12 is a 2 root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the third one.
Ma'am, the third answer is root 18 minus root 9.
Root 18 minus.
Root 9 upon 1.
Let me check. The second one is correct, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is a 3 root 2. And this is 9. Oh, but firstly I will solve it then. Yes, but now you will see this is minus now from this side. So no need to take minus now. Only your answer is coming this one. Okay.
Okay.
After that, when you will solve, when you will write it in sequence wise now, your first answer, your second answer, your third answer, then you will mark the minus sign. Okay. Now, final answer is anything cut? Answer is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is coming 0.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Root 9, I think root 9 is a single root 9. Is there
Ma'am,
any
no,
other
it will
root 9
become
also?
Ma'am, not root 9, I am getting 4 root 6. -4 root 6.
Okay, okay.
mhm.
Okay. Now the answer is coming 0. So final answer.
Ma'am, could you give us more questions like this for practice?
Means I will share you the worksheet or any other question.
Ma'am, can you give us more questions on rationalization?
Yes, yes, sure. I'm giving you 3 questions together like that. Means 3 digit. You will clear it firstly. You have an exam in first week of July?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my topics are coordinate geometry, linear equation, and number system.
Okay. In number system evaluation question, we will revise tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Firstly, you will revise the rationalize
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
So now this is your question. All of you, you also do it. We will check it together. Answers are coming same or not.
Ma'am, are these the type of questions that come in the paper mainly?
Yes.
Ma'am, do these kind of questions for rationalization come for the exam? Like
Yes,
questions
yes,
like this?
sure. Like that question is coming in rationalization.
Ma'am, 5 marker, right?
Yeah, this is a 5 marker, 4 marker question. And this is an important one, na, in number system.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm.
Ma'am, could you, ma'am, tomorrow will you also explain,
Evaluation question exponent
sorry, ma'am,
1.6.
and also there's one more question. Like if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. Could you explain that tomorrow as
Yes,
well?
yes, I will explain you that one question also. These questions are from R.D. Sharma.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will explain this one also. Don't worry. Now you will do the practice of these questions.
Ma'am, I had a doubt. When we get a root number on a number line, and if it's a 3 marker, is it necessary to show the Pythagoras theorem and the steps of
Yes, yes, it
construction?
is necessary. You will show the Pythagoras theorem, then you will show the number line full and
Ma'am, we
steps
don't
also.
need to write the steps of construction for 3 marker, right?
No, no, no need to write the steps of construction, only Pythagoras theorem.
Ma'am, but if it's a 5 marker, it's important, right?
Yeah, then important, but these questions are coming only in 3 marks. Root 3,
Okay.
root 2 on the number line.
Ma'am, decimal ones will come for 5 markers.
I don't think so. Now the pattern will be changed. Only 3
Okay.
marks. These questions are coming only in 3 marks.
Okay. Ma'am, could you once explain again? I'm getting a bit confused.
The first part?
No, ma'am, like the whole question. I'm not able to
Firstly, I will tell you the first one answer.
listen. Ma'am, will it become will the numerator? Yes, ma'am.
Mm,
Ma'am, this will become 24 because we take root 2 whole square, right?
yeah, 24 comes now. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 2 is the 24.
Okay, ma'am.
Then this is 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 is 3 root 6.
Yes, ma'am.
3 is the common.
6 minus 2, right?
Yeah, 6 minus root 6. And 32 minus 3 is
29. 29, 29. Ma'am, will this become 18 minus root 18 by 29?
18 minus.
Root 18 by 29?
You will complete this question on homework. We will discuss tomorrow. Okay?
Okay,
Full
ma'am.
part.
Okay.
Okay? I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
another session now. So we will discuss
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then bye.
Bye.